Okay, welcome to week 3 of the Sunday circuits classes. Again, same routine, there will be 7 exercises. We'll move around them all. If there's 8 in the class, the 8th station will be a rest or active resting station. Same setup, I'll run you through all the exercises right now and we will get going, and I'll see you when we get to the class. Okay, exercise number 1 will be the TRX row, similar to what we did in the first class. For the TRX today, I will just have you set yourself up to where you feel comfortable. Remember, the lowest you are, the harder it will be. The higher you walk up, the easier it will be, as demonstrated here. Okay, at the same station, you have the option of doing shoulder presses or push presses, as demonstrated in the next video. Shoulder press will just require you to push the dumbbell or ball up and over the head. The push press will require you to do a half squat and then drive the weight up using your legs and arms to push the weight above the head. Both exercises demonstrated in the video here. Okay, moving on to the lower body exercises. Here you have the option of step-ups. We have our easier form, middle and harder forms. We have fast steps on the Reebok step, we have high steps on the bench, or we have high steps using weights, as demonstrated here. Okay, next we have dead bugs, as we did in the first circuit session. Again, dead bugs with no ball, on the floor, head down, easiest form. Middle, dead bugs, no ball, with our head up. And then the hardest form, dead bugs, using the ball, head up to make that the hardest form. All 3 variations demonstrated here. Okay, now on to our plank station. Again, first form of the plank will be holding a straight plank, either on the palms or forearms, feet straight on the toes, or from the knees. Our harder forms will involve shoulder taps. We'll try and touch the opposite shoulder, or today the plank reach, where we will reach for the foam roller, as demonstrated in the video here. Okay, now on to a cardio station. Once again, because there seemed to be quite enjoyment with the boxing is included. So this will be hitting the bag in combinations that you would like to do. Options beyond that are get down, get ups, where you're getting down to the floor, onto your back and back onto your feet, or everyone's favorite, mountain climbers. All 3 exercises demonstrated in the video here. Okay, now we're back onto an upper body station. We have included push-ups again, similar to circuit class 2. Here the push-ups once more will be the easiest form, where you're pushing against the cabinet or the table. The middle form, which will be from the knees, or the hardest form, which will be a full push-up. On the toes, to the floor, up and down. All demonstrations here on the next video. Okay, and now exercise 7, which will be back to our cardio form. This will involve shuttle runs, as we had in the first circuit session. Shuttle runs with the ball, which is our middle ground form, or today we have the sled, as demonstrated in the videos here. The sled is the hardest form. It involves you pushing the weighted sled up and back between the two cones. Be aware that this is quite a taxing exercise, not only on your lungs, but also on your thighs. All right, all 3 exercises demonstrated here. Alright, well done. That is the demonstration of all exercises that will be included in Circuit Class 3. We are more than halfway done into January. That means that you only have 1 class beyond this. If you have any questions on the exercises that I've just demonstrated before coming into the class, just send me a message and let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in that class. Brilliant. See you then.